What's going on, you guys? Spencer here. We're in the hobby room. Today I got a good one for you guys. Hopefully you guys are staying safe, healthy, and staying out of trouble doing nothing in your house all day. But actually, luckily, last week we were able to get out of the house and go club race. It was a small gathering at the Natural Compound in Maricopa. And me, Mayfield, Tanner Danny, Tanner Steves had a cool little club race. I ended up getting my butt kicked, but it was fun. We ended up pitting ourselves in the main. There's some videos going around on Facebook. I'm sure you guys may have seen or may not. But anyways, I got some onboard action with my new RC8B3.2. It's a brand new Team Associated car that just got released, I believe last week or 2 weeks ago. So it's been pretty awesome to drive, and looking forward to seeing you guys get your hands on it. So stay tuned for the rest of the video. You'll see the whole 5-minute clip or so. It's some onboard footage of the car going around the track. It's pretty neat, and hopefully you guys enjoy. Thanks, and see you on the next one.